Nuclear energy provides efficient and reliable electricity around the world with nearly zero carbon emissions. In the United Arab Emirates, the Barakah nuclear energy plant will provide nearly a quarter of our electricity once all 4 of its reactors are operational in 2020. Just like any other energy plant, we need fuel to power the reactors. Like oil and coal, the raw material for nuclear fuel assemblies, called uranium, comes from beneath the Earth's surface. Rich deposits of uranium are found in mines in nearly 20 countries around the world. The UAE does not have any deposits of uranium, and therefore we have to obtain it from elsewhere. Luckily, more than 2/3 of the world's uranium comes from Australia, Canada, and Kazakhstan, all responsible and trustworthy nations. After it is mined, the uranium goes through several processes to turn it into a powder called yellowcake. Workers carefully pack the yellowcake into drums and send these to a conversion facility. During conversion, the yellowcake is changed into a gas called uranium hexafluoride, which is loaded into special storage cylinders. These are shipped to an enrichment facility. During enrichment, the uranium concentration in the gas is increased, making it possible to use uranium in nuclear energy reactors. It is then transported to a fuel assembly manufacturing facility for the final step in the process. As part of the UAE's commitment to non-proliferation, we decided to forego domestic enrichment. ENEC has therefore contracted a number of specialized foreign companies to provide the necessary materials and perform the enrichment process. The materials are then delivered to KEPCO in South Korea for the manufacturing of fuel assemblies. In the fuel assembly fabrication facility, the gas is converted and made into a powder, shaped and heated to form small pellets that are about the size and shape of a pencil eraser. The pellets are loaded into metal tubes called fuel rods, which are about 4 meters long. When bundled together, these rods create a fuel assembly. A nuclear reactor can use more than 200 fuel assemblies at one time. New fuel assemblies have very low radioactivity, and workers do not require equipment to protect them from radiation during the manufacturing process. A person can safely stand next to and handle an assembly with their bare hands. When ready, the fuel assemblies are shipped to the UAE for use at the Barakah nuclear energy plant. Once the fuel assemblies arrive in the country, they are delivered to the plant where they are inspected and stored. This process is monitored and regulated by the Federal Authority for Nuclear Regulation and in accordance with the international best practices. These fuel assemblies will power our nation's first nuclear energy plant and the future growth and prosperity of our nation for decades to come.